Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 4 different ways that you can liquidate your Amazon FBA inventory for a profit. So there are lots of different ways that you can go ahead and liquidate your Amazon FBA inventory. Get rid of inventory that just isn't selling well. And in this video I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can liquidate your Amazon FBA inventory and actually make a profit when you're liquidating your products. Okay, the tips that I'm going to give you are really good because they allow you to go ahead and liquidate products that aren't selling well and actually make a profit on this when you're liquidating them. But this advice isn't for everyone. This advice is for someone who is just getting out of it, getting out of this product line, don't want to sell it anymore. And before you do this, make sure that you give your product every opportunity for success on Amazon. You can do this by going ahead and ensuring that your product listing is optimized. If you don't know exactly how to optimize your product listing, the titles, the bullets, the images, the description, the back end, etc., then give it to someone who does. There are a lot of different people on Fiverr who can do this for you at a small cost. They will tell you what's good and what's bad about your listing and what needs improving. So go ahead and do all this before deciding to give up on your product. As well as this, the most thing that I see people doing when they're giving up on their products early is they haven't launched their products. So if you haven't done a product launch, if you haven't started getting the sales ball rolling on your product, then go ahead and do this also. But to do this, you have to get to at least 10 reviews on your product. Otherwise, it's extremely difficult to launch your products on Amazon without having that proof that your product is actually good. So first of all, go ahead and get at least 10 reviews on your product listing and then do a product launch. I go through the full product launch process in the advanced private label course, and I will leave a link in the description below so you can check that out and see if that's for you. But now I'm just going to jump in and give you the 4 different ways that you can liquidate your Amazon FBA inventory for a profit. Number 1 is using liquidators. So what liquidators do is they find others who are willing to purchase your products in bulk and sell them on different marketplaces. So they could have connections with retailers, with wholesalers, etc., and they will be able to sell your products in bulk to them after they buy them from you. So to find liquidators, just simply go to Google and type in inventory liquidators, and you can type in your local area so that you will find them nearby, because if you have the inventory on hand, then you can easily send it to them, and if they're local, you won't have a big cost in sending it to them. Otherwise, if you find a liquidator that is further away or your inventory is still in Amazon FBA, then you can just bulk send your inventory from Amazon FBA direct to the liquidator, and they can send it on to the person who purchases it when they buy it. But there is also another type of liquidation site that has just jumped up, and I'm a bit hesitant to recommend it because I haven't actually used this service. So I don't usually recommend any services that I haven't used, but I'm going to give you this service so that you can just simply check it out and see if it's for you. And what they do is they will auction your inventory off from their site, so you can go over to their site and have a look and just see exactly how they do it. And their site is Amz Stuff Liquidators.com. But I haven't personally used this service myself, so I am hesitant in letting you know about it. But just go over and do your due diligence yourself, see that they're all okay. And again, let us know down in the comments if you have used these, what experience you've had with these. So I have spoke with other sellers who have used these and they have done okay and were able to make a small profit on their inventory when they sold it through Amz Stuff Liquidators.com. But again, go ahead and check it out for yourself and contact them with any questions you have around their service, because this may be a service that will suit your product, and this will allow you to make a profit on this inventory when you sell it to them. Method number 2 is the tried and tested eBay. eBay is amazing for selling liquidated products. Why eBay is so good is because a lot of eBay customers are retailers. They are people that have either market stalls or their own shop, and they are looking for products to stock their shop, and they are looking to purchase products in bulk. So the main thing that you have to do when you're listing your products on eBay is put in the correct keywords, the keywords that they are looking for when they are buying their products. So think about it. It's a different customer now that you are targeting when you are liquidating your inventory than when you were selling your inventory one by one. So you have to target your inventory at these customers. So what you do is put in the main keywords into your title, into your description on eBay that you want your products to show up for when they type them in on eBay. And the different keywords that you should use are bulk, job lot, and liquidation. These are the keywords that they are typing in when they're looking for your products, because they are looking to purchase products in bulk. Again, you can put in wholesale, and there is a whole lot of other keywords that you can use, but these are just a few that you can put into your title, into your description, so that your products come up high on eBay for these keywords when they are searching for them. This is a great way to liquidate your products, because you will be able just to get in one order and sell your products in bulk this way. You won't be sending them out one by one or anything like that. Method number 3 is to list your inventory for sale on classified websites and apps. So if you're in the US, the website that you'll be listing them on is Craigslist, and the app that you can use to list them on is called Mercari. That's spelled Mercari. And if you're in the UK, the website that you will list them on is Gumtree, and the app that you will list them on is an app called Shpock. That's SHPOCK. I think. I haven't used Shpock yet, but I've heard from others that it is also a very good app to sell on. But Gumtree will be your main one in the UK, and Craigslist will be your main one in the US for selling liquidating stock. And similar to eBay, you want to ensure that your inventory has the correct keywords in it so that it's relatable to your target audience. So again, your target audience is people looking for liquidation stock and looking for discounted stock or wholesale stock. So make sure to get in these keywords into your listings when you're listing them on these sites and apps. And last but certainly not least is my favorite of the lot. If you're selling liquidated inventory, you want to make a profit on this inventory, is to use Facebook to list your products. And again, I'm going to explain exactly how you use Facebook to do this, because you don't want to just go ahead and list them in the same way that you're going to list them if you want to sell them one by one. For example, if you're selling them through review groups or anything like that, you don't want to do it that way if you're liquidating your inventory. You want someone to come and purchase all of your inventory at once. So the way that you sell them on Facebook is going to be different than if you're selling them one by one. So what you should do is go on to Facebook and look for relevant groups around your product. And again, don't look for groups that are going to have customers who are going to purchase them one by one. You're looking for business groups, e-commerce groups, wholesale groups, retail groups. Just go ahead and type in these search terms in the Facebook search bar and then click on the groups icon, and you will find lists of groups for all of these relevant search terms. Then join these groups, and when you're inside the group, explain your situation in the group, explain that you're looking to liquidate your stock, you're looking to make a bulk sale of your inventory, and put a picture of your inventory as well as all of the different relevant information about your inventory listed all in the group, so they know exactly what it is that you're trying to sell. And then you will start getting contacted from people in these groups. There are some of these groups that have thousands of members. Again, if you want to sell yours local, you can go into local groups and do this. But if you're happy to sell them nationwide, then simply just go into the groups in around the UK or US, wherever you're based, and list your products, and you will start getting messages from people who are willing to purchase your products in bulk. They will probably require a bit more information before going ahead and make the purchase, but they can easily make the purchase from you and pay you via PayPal or any other payment service. It's very straightforward to do, and this is definitely the best way, because Facebook has simply so many users. Facebook has over 1 billion users now, and so many people use Facebook groups for business. So if you're a wholesaler or a retailer looking for liquidated inventory, or you have your own market stall, then you are going to be in these relevant groups. And what you should do is get your product out in front of these, ensuring that you let them know that there's going to be a massive discount for purchasing it in bulk, because they will be buying it, just above what they would pay if they were importing these products from China. They can get these products instantly from you. So it's a massive advantage for these buyers to purchase this inventory from you on Facebook. So that's it. That's the 4 different ways that you can liquidate your Amazon FBA inventory for a profit. If you know of any other ways that you can liquidate your Amazon FBA inventory for a profit, then please leave it in the comments below. As well as this, check out the Advanced Private Label course if you're looking for ways to grow your existing brand of products on Amazon, as I'm constantly updating this course and putting in new and more relevant course material so that you will find the best ways to sell your products on Amazon for a profit. Or if you are looking to find out the way that I do my product selection and find unique private label products on Amazon that are guaranteed to sell well, then check out the Unique Private Label course as well. I will link this in the description below. I hope that you have found this video helpful, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.